Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is May, and for today's video it is going to be exciting because I'm going to share with you guys my Amazon Prime haul. I went shopping spree on Amazon Prime Day deals. So if you guys don't know about Amazon Prime Day deals, it is like a Black Friday on Amazon exclusively for the Prime member. So a lot of products went on sale and we got great discount, and some has a coupon, so I still save money. Honestly, cannot remember what I purchased. I bought some of the products that I had on my wish list for a while now, and so this is a chance that I kind of like get them on a great discount. By the way guys, if you will be interested in some of these products, I will leave all the affiliated links down below. Without further ado, I'm gonna start unboxing them now. I'm gonna start with this bag. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay. So the first product that I have here is this hair scalp massage shampoo brush. So it comes with two. I'll open all the bags first. You know what guys, I love unboxing. It feels like Christmas to me, and it feels like it's my birthday. This is a water bottle for my daughter. I bought this for my daughter. So here is the water bottle that I got for my daughter, and what's cool about this is you can put two different kinds of drink in this bottle, and you can bring it with you at the same time. So here I put water on this side, and to this side I put juice. So I didn't fill it up, just to show it to you guys. It doesn't spill, as you can see, which is good. Oh yeah, I remember this one now. It's a sweatshirt. Hey, got this one because I think it's very cute. Look at this. Look at the design. I like my sweater oversized. It says cappuccino with 3 different kitties. So cute. So cute. Okay, let's see what I got here. All right, yeah, this one. Wow, I got a water bottle for me. Oh, it comes with bamboo straw. That's nice. Okay, just let me make sure everything is here. I got a same bottle but different brand, and it's the pink one, and I wanted to get it in this color. This one is already opened because John opened this and he thought it's his I don't know, maybe he was just curious. I have no idea why he opened it. Okay, so I got here this bento lunch box for my daughter for her school. They're going back to school with 3 bento boxes. 3. So she got 1, 2, and go this one. Okay. Oh, I think I know what this one is. So I get migraines and headaches for staring laptop. My cell phone, it gives me a terrible headache guys. So these eyeglasses I stumbled upon on the Prime Day deals, and it says that it's gonna help with protecting your eyes from the blue lights. So hopefully my migraine will go away when I start using this. Okay, I'm gonna wear this now. I like the design. It's very trendy, I would say. Okay, I'm gonna start wearing it now. So I'm not in the front of the computer, but it's okay. And it comes with this, I don't know, blue light test card. Okay. It's just to make sure that it is not just a fashionable kind of eyeglass. What is this, like laser thing? Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna move ahead and open another box. This one is not taped. Yeah, this is not taped. So this one, I always wanted to buy this, but they were kind of like pricey. Before it was like $30 something, and then I got like $5 off. It became like 25. I'm not sure exactly how much it was. I can't remember, but I got like, I think at least $5 off from it. So this is stand for my laptop, my 13-inch Mac Air. Okay, I got 2 more boxes left. I'm saving the big one for last, so we have something to look forward to. This is the main thing. I went on a Prime Day deal because I really wanted to get this. But open this one. Okay, almost done. I got like 3 items here, I believe. So this one is the matcha organic tea. I love matcha, guys, and I want to try this brand to see if it's good. Next thing I have here is this coffee mug. This is for coffee, and I fell in love with the design when I saw it. I was like, I really like that. It is glass. So cute. I can bring this to the car, I think. So this is really cute. I like this coffee mug. Third item from this box is this is I don't know what exactly this is. What the heck? This is an incense. Ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys, kung paano siya nag-work. I'm gonna show it to you guys how it works with. It's called like an incense stand or flow. Alright, guys, so this is the waterfall style incense burner, and it comes with cones right here. So it's a lot of cones, and what it's supposed to do is I'll have to put the cones right here on the top. There should be a smoke coming out from the cone that will go down to the bottom right here where you can see the fish. So honestly, guys, I do not know if this is gonna work, and we are going to find out together. I'm going to set this up now. Alright, so here it is. We're about to find out. It should have that waterfall effect. So we'll see if that's gonna work. I see something that's coming out. Do you see that smoke flowing gently down? Wow. Violet, come see this. This is really cool. Come here. Don't touch it though, because it's burning. See that smoke? That's a smoke. And it's flowing down to the bottom. There's like a fish pond. Oh no. So what do I think about this? It actually does work, but it is very sensitive, and you cannot have any wind blowing around you, like fan or window open. And even if I'm like, you know, talking right now and kind of get closer to it, kind of blew away the smoke. and so it's a very sensitive, so you have to place it somewhere that doesn't have any wind or anything. This scent of the cone, I do not like the scent of it, honestly. Wala siyang amoy, no fragrance, nothing. I'm gonna try the other color if it's gonna, you know, have, let me smell it. No, I don't smell any scent. Like, look at that, I just like placed it like this and blew away all the smoke. The effect is really cool, I like it, and yeah, it is very satisfying to watch it flowing down to the bottom. So yeah, I think I like this. Just gotta have to get a different kind of cone. All right, there you go. This is pretty heavy, so that's why I moved the camera closer instead, and I hope nothing's broken inside. And there's another box inside the box. Okay, so ito na siya, guys. Ta-da! So ayan siya, it's an LED video light. So I bought this for making a better content for my YouTube channel, and I had this in my wish list for a while now, so I finally got this. Amazon Prime Day didn't really have a good discount for this product, but they have some coupons, so I saved some dollar at least. So, but I kind of disappointed because I thought I was gonna get a better deal. But anyway, it's better than nothing, right? I honestly do not know how to set it up yet, and I'm gonna have to read the instructions and everything. The reason I got this, I do not need to wait for a daylight to just have a good lighting. Then with this LED light, I believe I can film any time of the day, and I'll have a better quality, hopefully. Though I do not have a really good camera. We will do a lot of sit-down vlogs, so I decided to get a better lighting. So ito siya. The brand is Newer, and then if you guys are interested, then I can leave the link below too if you want to like check it out. This is not a sponsored, but I do have the affiliated link from Amazon. So ito siya. Comes with the battery. I believe this comes with the battery and lights and filter and everything. All right, so that's the end of it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you can be updated on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
See, it takes time to forgive.